Hey, do you want to learn how to plant spring flowering bulbs now in the fall? Well, stick around because today I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Come on, let's go. Hey, how you doing today? I'm Rick Bickling. On today's episode of the How to Gardener, we're going to talk about one of the simplest, least expensive, and really most rewarding fall gardening activities. That's planting spring flowering bulbs now. You know, although they appear to be nothing more than small dead brown orbs, bulbs are very much alive. Bulbs contain everything needed to survive harsh cold winter temperatures, produce a wide array of beautiful flowers in the spring, and come back year after year. The key to having success with bulbs is purchasing healthy, high-quality bulbs from a reputable source. Purchase your bulbs early and store them in a cool, dry, well-ventilated area. In general, the larger and healthier the bulb, the better flowering it's going to be come spring. You want to plant your bulbs in the fall once nighttime temperatures consistently fall to between 40 and 50 degrees for about 2 consecutive weeks. You want to plant your bulbs in an area that receives full sun. Check out the link above to my video that talks about how to determine what is full sun. Now you want to plant your bulbs with the tip pointed up and the flat side down. And also plant them in a hole that's about 3 times as deep as the bulb is tall. So if the bulb's an inch tall, dig a 3-inch deep hole. Now you want to plant small bulbs about 2 inches apart, and larger ones about, maybe 6 inches apart. After you've planted the bulbs, you want to make sure you water the site well. Now, once planted, the bulb's roots begin to develop in the fall. During the winter, the bulb's roots continue to develop, and the floral and leaf meristems, that's the initial emerging flower and leaf stems, start to develop too. Now, during the spring, shoots elongate, of course, flowers occur, and daughter bulbs are formed. Daughter bulbs are little bulbs that grow on the side of the original bulb that eventually get to the size where you can take them and propagate your flowers. Now in the summer, the flower shoots senesce or wither. Daughter bulb formation is complete and they separate from the original bulb and can now be harvested. Hey, now let me show you what my secret weapon is for planting bulbs. Now if you've tried planting bulbs before, typically you've gotten a little hand shovel, dug a little hole, and fought with it for hours on end, and your arm's ready to fall off when you're done. Well, this is my secret weapon, and I'll tell you what, it makes planting bulbs about 100 times easier. Let me show you. It's called the bulb auger. All you've got to do is insert it into your power drill, and then you can quickly drill holes. This one's about 1.25 inches wide. Drill them to however deep you want it. You'll be done planting your bulbs in no time, and your back and knees and arms will thank you. Spring flowering bulbs planted in the fall can provide a vast assortment of colors, textures, and scents in your garden for years to come. Try experimenting with different types and cultivars to see which ones grow best for you. Once you find your favorites, go ahead and dig up some of the daughter bulbs that have grown alongside the original bulb and share them with friends and loved ones. Hey, do you want to learn more about how to tell what part of your yard is in full sun, partial shade, or dense shade? Well, check out my video up here. It'll tell you all about it. It's pretty good. A little time spent planting bulbs this fall will be rewarded many times over this spring and for many springs to come. Enjoy.